Video marketing on social media is a powerful strategy to promote products or services through engaging video content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It helps businesses create a strong online presence and connect with their target audience more effectively. Video content is crucial in social media marketing as it delivers engaging, visually stimulating, and shareable materials that can attract and retain the attention of a target audience. Understanding the target audience on different social media platforms is crucial for effective communication and engagement. Each platform has its own unique demographics and user behavior, requiring tailored content and messaging. Tutorial videos can be a powerful tool for educating and engaging your audience on social media. They can range from step-by-step tutorials to how-to guides, providing valuable knowledge on a specific topic. Keyword: a tutorial. Creating engaging and shareable video content involves understanding your target audience and their interests, incorporating storytelling elements, using high-quality visuals and audio, and keeping the video concise and relevant. When optimizing videos for social media, it's essential to tailor the content for each platform's specific audience and requirements. For example, on Facebook, focus on engaging storytelling and utilizing longer-form videos. For Instagram, prioritize visually appealing content and use shorter, attention-grabbing videos. On Twitter, leverage concise, impactful clips to capture users' attention, and incorporate trending hashtags and topics in your videos. Understanding these platform-specific optimizations can help maximize the video's reach and impact. Measuring and analyzing the success of video marketing on social media involves tracking key performance indicators such as views, engagement metrics, conversion rates, and return on investment. It also requires the use of analytics tools to understand audience demographics, behavior, and preferences. Create engaging and visually appealing content to grab attention in the first few seconds.